How to verify FPL account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can verify FPL account. For this, open up any web browser and head over to fantasy.premierleague.com. Once you're here, click on the sign up now option. Then to create your new account, you will have to enter some of your details. Start by entering your personal details such as your first name, last name, email address. Then create a new password. After that, select your gender, enter your date of birth, then click on the next option. On the next option, follow the on-screen prompts and then complete your registering. After you have registered for a new account, an email will be sent for verification. Go ahead and open that email. Now over here, you want to click on the activate account option. Once you click on this option, your email address will be verified and your FPL account will also be verified. As you can see, here it says the email address has been confirmed. Click on the login option. All you have to do now is enter your credentials such as your email address and password. Then click on the sign in option. Once you do that, you will be successfully logged into your account and your FPL account will be verified. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.